And the last part is only this. So here is our schema. This is our schema for this coursework. So number one, we start by creating a database. If it's not existing, and we use it. That means to make it active for other operations. So we start by creating the dimensions tables. Why we start by creating the dimensions table, not the facts table? The reason is when you create the facts tables before the dimension tables, there we shall have conflicts because we saw that facts tables have relationships with dimension tables. They reference them using their IDs. They reference them using their IDs. Now, if they reference them any table that is not existing, the database will not continue executing or creating those tables because it will say it is referencing a non-existing table. So we start by creating these independent, anything. So we start by creating these dimension tables. After creating the dimension tables, we then create the facts tables. Then our database creation system ends here. Then the other thing is the key performance indicators. Number one, average length of stay by department. We retrieve the data using this query. Okay, we create a view to visualize as we are gonna see, and then the department performance summary, and also the monthly billing summary. And in here we have some sample data we insert into our database. For example, we have doctors here, we have treatment types, we have sample diagnosis, we have sample insurance providers, we have sample dates on which is certain events happened, and we have sample patients. And this is the end of our database or our schema. So if I copy this file and I go to my workbench, my SQL workbench, I can really execute and create that schema there. My database seems to be offline, so I'll start it. I will start it. So it says that, and let's see. So right, so I will refresh this here. It's not online yet. I'll go and start it manually. MySQL start. Okay, now it has started. So I should proceed to the next operation. I'll refresh a bit. I enter the password. My database refuses. Boom. Now it accepts. It's correct now. So I already created a sample of this schema, but now I will do it again. So I will come here and I will supply all the code from my SQL file, and I'll clear here. Then I'll highlight all of it and I click here. Then start executing line by line, because this is the summary. It has executed but without any error. So there it is. When I refresh a bit, I'll see my database here, hospital data warehouse. And here is a list of tables I have in there, the fact and the dimension displayed in order of alphabet. And here, when I go to billing, I can see sample. Some of it is there, sample data is there. So in billing, we don't have any data yet, but others we have the data. So just in case we start billing, we shall have even the patient treatment. Sample data was not inserted, so that means here we might not get enough summary because some of the data is still empty. We don't have enough data entered into our QA. Yeah, so that is it. That is it for now. Thank you for watching. There is no other video unless requested. Have a good day.